Space, the final frontier. Vast, mysterious, and beyond our wildest imagination. Today, we'll uncover 25 mind-blowing facts about the cosmos that will leave you in awe. From bizarre planets to mind-bending black holes, get ready for a journey across the universe. Fact 1. Stars outnumber grains of sand. Did you know there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth? Scientists estimate the observable universe contains around 200 billion trillion stars. That's a 2 followed by 23 zeros. Think about that next time you're at the beach. Fact 2. Neutron stars are insanely dense. Neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars after supernova explosions, are so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Fact 3. The largest known structure. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is the largest known structure in the universe. It's a galactic supercluster stretching 10 billion light-years across. Yes, billion with a B. Fact 4. Black holes slow down time. Time behaves strangely near black holes. Due to extreme gravity, time slows down for an object approaching a black hole compared to an outside observer. This phenomenon is called gravitational time dilation. Fact 5. Space smells like burnt steak. Believe it or not, astronauts have reported that space has a smell. After spacewalks, their suits often carry the scent of burnt steak or welding fumes. This is likely caused by high-energy particles interacting with their suits. Fact 6. Venus spins backwards. Unlike most planets, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of its orbit. A day on Venus is longer than a year, as it takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Fact 7. Rogue planets. Imagine a planet without a star. Rogue planets drift through space, untethered to any solar system. Scientists believe there could be billions of them in our galaxy alone. Fact 8. The coldest place in the universe. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest place in the known universe, with a temperature of negative 457.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It's just a fraction above absolute zero. Fact 9. The Moon is moving away. The Moon drifts about 1.5 inches away from Earth every year. Over billions of years, this could mean much longer days for Earth and a weaker gravitational effect. Fact 10. The edge of the universe. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light, and scientists estimate its edge lies about 46 billion light-years away. What lies beyond? That's a question no one can answer. Yet. Fact 11. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. Saturn's iconic rings are made up of ice particles, dust, and rocky debris, ranging from tiny specks to massive boulders. They are only a few hundred meters thick, but they stretch over 270,000 kilometers. That's more than double the distance from Earth to the Moon. Fact 12. Space is not completely empty. While space is mostly a vacuum, it's not completely empty. It's filled with cosmic dust, hydrogen atoms, and other particles, though they are extremely sparse. There are only a few particles per cubic centimeter, but they're still there. Fact 13. The Moon has moonquakes. Just like Earth has earthquakes, the Moon experiences moonquakes. These quakes are often caused by the Moon's gravitational interactions with Earth, and can sometimes be as strong as a 5.0 magnitude earthquake on Earth. Fact 14. A cloud of alcohol exists in space. There's an enormous cloud of ethyl alcohol in space, specifically in the constellation Aquila. This cloud contains enough alcohol to make 300,000 Earth-sized planets worth of drinks. Fact 15. A black hole can weigh as much as 66 billion suns. Some black holes, like the one in the center of the Messier 87 galaxy, are so massive that they can weigh as much as 66 billion suns. The gravity of these supermassive black holes is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Fact 16. A year on Mercury is only 88 days. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and because it's so close, it completes an orbit in just 88 Earth days. However, a day on Mercury lasts a whopping 176 Earth days, meaning a day on Mercury is twice as long as its year. Fact 17. Space travel changes your body. Astronauts in space experience a number of physical changes, such as muscle atrophy and bone density loss. Without the gravity of Earth pulling on them, astronauts' muscles weaken and bones become more fragile. After spending a long period in space, they need to undergo rehab to regain their strength. Fact 18. There are rogue planets floating in space. Rogue planets are planets that don't orbit any star. They float freely through space, possibly ejected from their original solar system or formed in isolation. It's estimated that there could be more rogue planets than stars in our galaxy alone. Fact 19. Saturn could float in water. Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system, and it is so light that if you could find a large enough body of water, Saturn would float. Its average density is lower than water, so it would stay on the surface. Fact 20. There's a planet made of diamond. 55 Cancri E, located about 40 light-years away, is often referred to as the Diamond Planet. It is thought to contain a massive amount of carbon in the form of diamonds due to the intense pressure on its surface. Fact 21. The speed of light is mind-boggling. Light travels at an incredibly fast speed of about 186,282 miles per second, 300,000 kilometers per second. This means that light can travel around Earth's equator more than 7 times in a single second. Even so, it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach Earth from the Sun. Fact 22. A whole galaxy can be erased by a black hole. Supermassive black holes can devour entire galaxies. NGC 1277, a galaxy located about 220 million light-years from Earth, has a supermassive black hole at its core that makes up about 14% of its total mass. This black hole is so powerful that it is actively devouring the galaxy's material, making it appear to be slowly vanishing. Fact 23. A star is born every day. On average, a new star is born somewhere in the universe every single day. This process occurs in stellar nurseries, clouds of gas and dust, where gravity causes the material to collapse and form new stars. The star formation rate varies, but the universe is constantly creating new stars. Fact 24. Time is different on Mars. A day on Mars, known as a sol, is just over 24 hours and 39 minutes, making it very close to an Earth day. However, a year on Mars is much longer, lasting 687 Earth days. So while you'll experience a nearly identical daily cycle, your Martian year would be nearly twice as long as one on Earth. Fact 25. Space travel makes you taller. When astronauts spend extended conclusion, space is a vast and endlessly fascinating place, filled with mysteries and facts that continue to astonish us. From the incredible scale of black holes to the everyday truths about our planet, there's always more to learn. Thanks for joining us on this journey through space. If you enjoyed these facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible knowledge from Know You Know Facts. See you next time.